under mo, grab the med ball, the set step, cross hand switch. Okay? Sa kabilang side na we call it switch. Okay? After nun, partial turn, under face, pagka-under mo, we do foot switch. Okay? Tapos after the foot switch, grab mo, grab, then the set step cross. Turn under, grab, okay? Okay, same footwork. Partial turn face under, foot switch, then grab. So instead of crossing the ball, we're going to do the set step back. Okay? Then other side naman. Turn, partial under, foot switch grab, and the set step